Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you the unboxing for the Galaxy S9, the Plus variant. Now we have done about 20 or so videos already with the international version, but this is the US model, so it will have the Snapdragon 845. So those of you that have been asking for a new benchmark test and a battery life test for heavy users and light users, that will be coming with this version of the phone to give you a better indication. And this is the coral blue version of it as well. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now this is the US variant, so that does mean that it's gonna have 64 gigs of storage built in, and you can still expand it with a micro SD card, of course. And here we are. And in here you have the ejection pin paperwork. But let's see. For some reason this wasn't on the top anymore. I think that's kind of interesting. But there it is. Let's go ahead and take this off. Sound. There we go. And let's take that off as well. And there we have that. And there we have it. I really like this blue actually. It's like a darker blue than I expected. I expected a little bit of a lighter one, so I like the way it looks. There's that dual aperture camera that everyone's been talking about. I like it. I like this so much better than the black. I'm really glad I got this. I debated on which one to get. Since I had the international version that had the Exynos black, I thought this one would be good, and I am very happy with it. I think too many people are sleeping on the blue, I have to say. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Take that off as well. And while that starts, again, quick reference, paperwork, all that kind of stuff. Know what transferring is important. That is important. If you haven't seen our video on how to transfer everything from an Android to the S9 or transfer everything from the iPhone to the S9, please check that video out, especially on movies, how to transfer all your movies that you've purchased on there. So that is going to be the device. Hello, Bigsby. That is going to be the device that you use to transfer everything. That is your outlet. And then is this the cable? Yeah, everything else is in here. So you have your AKG tuned headphones, you have your different earbuds, and you have your wall adapter. I just have so many of these at this point. But yeah, so that's everything right here. I'm gonna keep it there. And now let's just play with the phone. So yeah, very excited about this phone. Really gonna put it through its paces, and the review should be coming up by Friday. I've obviously spent about 3 weeks with the international version, and now with the English version, the US version, we're going to be getting. Definitely have to put it through its final paces, and then the review will be coming out. All right, guys, let me know what you think and what other videos you want to see. I know I promised you 16 before next Mobile Weekly, and I think we've done about 8 so far. So let me know what other videos you want to see with this phone, and what other comparisons as well. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.